Mid-Engine Squad! It's your boy, Fear Boy. This is coming back with a brand new video for y'all. So, like I was saying in previous videos, anytime I get a brand new box in, I will definitely be doing an unboxing for y'all. If you're not following me on YouTube, Snapchat, or TikTok, please do so if you're born Square 86. Also, please follow me on my brand new Instagram page at 214 Fiero Guy. And if you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and also triple smash that like button for your boy, because y'all already know what it is. Once again, triple smash that like button for your boy, because y'all already know what it is. All right. So today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing for y'all. I actually just got another box in from Rockauto, which is going to end up being my R-pan gasket. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, y'all. So right now I got the box. All right, let's go ahead and start opening it. All right, y'all. So as y'all can tell, I did get my receipt from Rockauto. Yeah, I did get my receipt from Rockauto, y'all. She's right there. So definitely, let's go ahead and get into it. All right. There you go. Yeah, so I did. So I did get a magnet from Rockauto. All right. And here goes my R-pan gasket right here. Right, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I did receive my R-pan gasket right there. And I also did receive my flywheel gasket too. So definitely, y'all, if y'all ever talking about doing any shopping or anything, definitely go to Rockauto, because they are the ones that's going to get you your products fast. They're going to make sure that you get the right product. You can, you have a problem with your product, they'll definitely take your products back, you know, and everything. So definitely, if you're talking about doing anything with cars, definitely use Rockauto. Even though I'm not being paid for this, I'm just saying use them, because they always ship in quick. All right, y'all. Well, that right there is the end of this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please let me know what you think about this video. Also, in future video, I will be showing y'all on how to put this gasket on. Another great video by Philip Vision. If y'all have not checked him out, check out Philip's Vision on YouTube. If you have any questions about trying to figure out how to put parts on your Fiero. All right, y'all. Well, I want y'all to have a great day. Thank y'all very much for stopping in and tuning in to my video. All right, y'all.